Start.
Hi, this is Surya, working as an assistant professor, Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today we are going to see about ATM logic connection. In this ATM asynchronous transfer mode logical connection, we have to see some of the key features. First one is virtual channel, visual path, logical connection is a communication oriented connection and hierarchy. And here this asynchronous transfer mode, it is nothing but it have two parts. There is virtual path and virtual channel, that is a device between the ATM network to facilitate the data transmission from one place to another place. And we have two types of logical connection, that is VPC and VCC. Okay, and some of the keywords here are VP virtual path, VC virtual channel, VPI virtual path identifier, VCI virtual channel identifier, and permanent virtual circuit. We have switch virtual circuit and connection oriented, that is data transmission things, and quality of service and the logical connection. And here we can describe about visual channel connection. It is a logical connection. It is a on-demand connection with dynamically allocated and deallocated with the data communications. And we have logical connection here and VCI and fine graduated communication is there in this. And VPC, it is a connection between the multiple service of group of connection. You can say group of connection with a higher level qualification, and it is a end-to-end point-to-point service. VPCs allocated with overhead switches, and the example is multiple branch connection. For example, if we have one branch, right, Bank of Baroda, we have different types of branches. Ramnagar is there, Milur is there, Malayam is there. That together connected together with the VPC, that is virtual path connection. All the communication will be transferred from one branch to another branch. For example, if we transfer the amount from, if I am a Tulilur branch person, so I am transferring from myself to RS branch. Means if the connection is connected and the branch connection will be connected and the amount will be transferred from this Tulilur to RS. So this all the things has been covered with the VPCs. And headquarters, central headquarters also identify all the details with the communication with all the transfer ID also. And we have bundle of VC here, API, and simplifies the network with multiple processes. And next one, this VPC is grouped together to make a virtual path and connected with simplified management, and the management will get easier work and completed work with this. For example, logical connection with ATM enables efficient reliability and also have different branches with the central quarters. All the things are controlled together and made together with the process of headquarters. And here connection oriented, that is virtual connection and quality of service. And hierarchy, that is virtual control circuit with operators with VP, and the multiple VPS can be devices in the physical layer. And this diagram, it remains that we have VC in the front and VP, which should be the part that have to transfer the communication, the help of the path, and the transmission of the path will be identified, and the communication will be reflected in the headquarters. This thing is allocated to all the branches. For example, Bank of Baroda and also SBI. The SBI transaction also communicated with the headquarters. Bank of Baroda communication also connected to the headquarters. These things, communications are concluded in one day, and the conclusions will be uploaded to the management, right? This is known as ATM logical connection. It has flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. These things are connected together to make work easier to the management. So clear? And thank you. The visual part that have virtual channel, that channels are connected together to make a communication. That communication will be packed together, make a cell, and that package will be communicated to the another cell. So these things will be user to receiver thing, and the user will be identify what are the communication they have forwarded, and the receiver will upload what are the user communication has been forwarded to us. For example, if you are passing a message through Google Pay, hi message. So like this, the communication will be transferred, and the Google Pay also have transaction ID, right? Using the transaction ID, not transferred to the receiver, we can go and visit the branch and we can ask queries regarding the transaction ID and we can rectify with that, and the transaction ID will be there for us to support all the communication regarding user and the receiver. Okay, thank you.